Drastic times call for drastic measures. When a situation is very serious or difficult, it might need unusual or extreme actions to solve it. The school was running out of money, so they decided to sell old furniture to save some cash. Drastic times call for drastic measures. When the car broke down in the middle of nowhere, we used a rope to pull it ourselves. Drastic times call for drastic measures. To stop the flood, the workers built a wall with sandbags in just one night. Drastic times call for drastic measures. When Max couldn't find his homework anywhere, he quickly wrote it again before the teacher arrived. Drastic times call for drastic measures. The shop was about to close, so Mia ran as fast as she could to get her favorite toy. Drastic times call for drastic measures.